Okay, moving on to this one here, we can do the limit here. So we can just apply the limit to the base. Okay, so we're going to do this limit as x goes to 0 of sine x over x. Okay, and I'm just going to pull this down a little bit to give myself a little bit more space to work. Okay, and then this is going to be limit as x goes to 0 of just x. So we end up with 1 as our base, 0 as our power. Okay, well, anything to base 1 is 1, anything to power 0 is 1. So we're going to end up with a limit of 1. So this one here is actually it's quite complicated. It's, well, no, I shouldn't say complicated, but it's a little bit tricky because what's going on here? We end up with x going to infinity. So what's happening with inside this 1 over x? If x goes to infinity, this essentially becomes sine 0 over 0. Ooh, well, we can work that out. We know what that is. And then we can do the exponent separately. Okay, just like we did here. So we'll do that again. And this will kind of help us out with this. So it's limit as x goes to infinity. And this is going to be sine 1 over x over 1 over x. And I'll let the limit as x goes to infinity of just the x. Okay, so we're going to end up with, as x goes to infinity, this is sine 0 over 0, and we know that's going to be equal to 1. And as x goes to infinity, we can let the exponent equal to 0, or sort of equal to infinity. And 1 to the power infinity, that's going to be a limit of 1. Okay, we probably want to check this though, because this is, some pretty tricky stuff. So we probably want to check what this graph looks like afterwards.